Every road leaves a page behind. Earlier today, we visited the historic Santa Barbara County Courthouse, then stopped for lunch and tasted some local food. In the afternoon, our family spent a wonderful time at the beach. Now we are leaving Santa Barbara and continuing toward our next city. The traffic light turns green, and the streets of Santa Barbara slowly begin to fall behind. A roadside sign confirms our direction. We are entering northbound US Route 101. We follow the curved entrance ramp and prepare to join one of California's major coastal routes. The local streets give way to a wider highway, while palm trees and green hills remain in the distance. Traffic moves steadily north as the afternoon sun shines across the road from the western sky. Mountains rise beside the highway, forming a familiar backdrop along this part of the California coast. For a while, the traffic slows, giving us time to take in the palms, open sky, and surrounding hills. Soon the lanes open again, and the journey settles into the steady rhythm of the highway. Overpasses and roadside signs pass one after another as Santa Barbara continues to recede behind us. Northbound on Highway 101, the city slowly gives way to trees, hills, and the open road ahead. The road continues north, carrying us toward the next chapter of our California journey. See you on the next road. Goodbye.